Here's our Blackboard website. When you first log in, you'll go right to the announcements page. And so whenever I have something to announce, usually something like either a change in the syllabus, which might happen, I will put that in the announcements here, and it'll automatically then get emailed to you through the email address you have in Blackboard. So that's the announcements up here. And then we have the syllabus, and this is where you go for the syllabus. I have two versions up here, PDF and doc, Word doc, Microsoft Word doc. They're exactly the same, just depending on what works better for you. I have both versions there. The bulk of the course is within the course materials right here. And so you don't see this stock track extra credit game. That's just, that's for me, and it gets released later on. I'm still working on that. And then I have the content broken down into chapters in the textbook. So you can see here each chapter. And then I also have the quizzes broken down into their own module. So quiz 1 on chapters 1 through 4 is all right here. And so as you scroll down, you see basically it's all chapters and quizzes. Give you an idea of what it looks like inside. If I click on chapter 1, you'll see first off the slides and the notes. So these are PowerPoint slides. And when you open them up, you'll see I also have extensive notes written in the slides that are in the notes section of PowerPoint. I'll show you that. Then I have a kind of a video lecture here. It's in YouTube, but you just click on it here and it'll pop up. They are sometimes long, like an hour, and I thought about separating them into like short 10-minute videos, but I don't know, I just thought building all the links to make it easy to go from one video to the next, to the next, to the next, might even make it harder in the end. So hopefully that'll be okay. If from your experience in taking a lot of classes, you think like 10 6-minute videos is better than one 1-hour video, email me, let me know. And then the chapter homework is also in that chapter 1 module. This is what the chapters of the PowerPoint slides look like. And I have this in, you can see down here, it's called normal view, slide sorter view, presentation view. But in this normal view, you see all the slides on the left, and you see the individual slide that you're focused on right now. But then there's also this section down here for notes. And you'll notice as you go through the slides, I have more notes here written on each of the slides. So that's another source of information for you. And as you go through here, pretty much I say the same thing in all the videos, but you can also access these notes here and give you a little bit more information. So, so I hope that helps you. Here you see chapter 2. It's the same format, the slides, and then the video, and then the homework, and you see that all the way through. The one difference you'll see when you get to the quizzes, I do have some review notes within the quizzes, so don't wait until it's time to take the quiz to go to the quiz module. If you go in there while you're preparing and studying for the quiz, you'll get some extra information and help and tips. And this is where you'll also go to take the quiz itself. You'll click on this link. It's not live in your Blackboard, but it will be when it's time to take the quiz. So that's pretty much it for the course materials. Next off, I have the discussion board. I don't have a lot of discussion board assignments, but I would ask that if you go in the first week, go into class introductions here and go ahead and post something. I'll start off here. Welcome class. Hi. So just put a little something, a note to introduce yourself to the rest of the class, just like I did. And then hopefully you can go through there and being in an online environment, it's hard to make connections with people, but it's still a valuable thing because you never know where, someone knows about something you want to be in life and they have a friend and you can make connections, and that's kind of how the world works in terms of business and making things happen in the world. So please do introduce yourselves. The other thing on discussion board is ask questions here. And so here you can go on and, ask any question you want. I am subscribed to this thread, and that means as soon as you post something on there, I get an email, and I'll usually be fairly quick about answering questions. But again, the main reason I want you to use this discussion board is that so that the whole class benefits from everyone's questions. And this is kind of what it would be like for you in terms of posting a question. Pretty easy to do. And there you see. The other thing on the discussion board is a student open discussion, and that's something that I don't monitor. So you guys can just talk to each other, use that discussion board to do that if you want. The last thing is this Zoom video conference, and if you request a discussion or a talk or a meeting with me, that's the video conferencing link we will use. So please go ahead and just remember that. Other than that, that is an overview of the course. So in this first week, check out Chapter 1. Say hello, welcome, review the syllabus, and I hope everything works out for you and we have a great semester. And take care. Bye-bye.